Alright guys, with this last video for the day, we're going to be looking at the idea of exterior angles and polygons. And what we know by definition is the idea that exterior angles are supplementary, which just means 180, to their adjacent angle. So we're asked to find the measure of each exterior angle of the polygon below, and then give the sum of all exterior angles. So like if I look at 61, well, what plus 61 gets me 180, or 180? It's 119 degrees. And if I look at 79, what plus 79 equals 180? We would say that's 101. And then with this other one, well, what plus 40 gets me 180 degrees? It's 40. So now looking at this quadrilateral, we're looking at the same idea, like what plus 71 equals 180. We got 109, then we got 56, and we got 104, and we got 91. So I'm going to ask you guys just to try to figure out what all these exterior angles are, and then could you guys try to find out what the sums are? Like if I add up all of these exterior angles, what do I get? And then when you're ready, just go on, pause the video now and just go on to the next thing. Okay, so this is the value that I got. Like I got 82, 59, 93, 50, and 76. If I look at all of these, or even if I start right here, it looks like I get a sum of 360. If I add up all these angles, I do get 360. And then here I get 360. And if I add up all these angles together, I'm going to get 360. So what can you conclude about the sum of exterior angles? Well, they are always going to be 360 degrees, which is a cool pattern just to notice. Okay, so if I look at this question here, it says that if the exterior angles of a regular polygon measures 12 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have? So we're looking at the idea, we're trying to figure out the number of sides. If we look at a regular polygon, or any polygon, that the sum of all the exterior angles is going to be 360. So that means that if I take 360 and divide it by the number of sides, that's going to get me each angle to equal 12. So I got to try to figure out, well, 36 divided by what gets me 12? So I got 12 and equals 360. It looks like n is going to be 30. That this is a 30-sided figure, or a 30-gon. Okay. Same idea here. Like in this case, I know that all the exterior angles have a value of 40. So 360 divided by something is going to equal 40. So when I look at this, I got 360 equals 40n, and it looks like the number of sides is 9. So here, we're just using the same idea, guys. This is not regular in this case, but I know all the exterior angles, but I do know that the sum of those is going to be 360. So could you guys try this? Pause the video and try to set it up for me. Okay? Pause it, try to set it up, and then we can talk about what you got. Alright guys, so what I ended up doing is I added up all of these angles together, and because I know the sum of exterior angles equals 360, I said it equal to 360. I got 29x plus 12 equals 360. When I solved for x, I got x to be 12. So what I'm going to ask you guys to do tonight is, there's some practice over what we just talked about that goes along with the notes. So try that, and we'll talk about it when I see you next. Have a great day.